You know I'm working. You know I'm Mix Missy, Erica, incense and Prince, product of joy, magic and muscle. That McCoy with the hustle. We've been working.
Cleanup day. Love you. Guys, I'm sorry, but it was worth it. This is the best thing ever. I love, love this. Good morning, beautiful flowers. Good morning. Makes my morning every morning. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Nice to see you.
My people play their position, puzzle pieces complete the vision. Yeah, we've been working like the Energizer block non-stop. Bad bunnies drive to the drum line now.
This flower was closed and it broke, both of them from the arrangements that I had. So I just put them in this vase and look at them. They're just thriving by themselves. So pretty. Making Layla and her boyfriend breakfast sandwiches with sausages.
We've been working, we've been working, yeah, we've been working, yeah, we've been. Last night we sent our sorrows to the stars.
Do we have Red Rooster? Oh my gosh, look at this ghetto booty. Layla, here you go.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Let's see your toes.
They're holding up very well.
Oh,
Oh, thank you.
dragged them to the desert, let the vultures pick them dry. Sent our secrets to the sky, sent our secrets to the sky. Last night I went to build up my rocket ship, took a trip through the stars. Sent my secrets to Mars, pulled up right off the Milky Way, then I put it in bar. Told my son I'ma see him as soon as Jupiter rise. See, we too fly for the function, so we kick it in the cosmos.
So I just made apple cider vinegar, collagen, basil seed heart gummies. And I'm gonna take I'm gonna try because I just tried one and they burn. But you're supposed to take 1 or 2 before each meal. I got it from this girl on TikTok. TikTok is fun, guys. I love it over there.
So we kick it in the cosmos. Too high for the humble, hit the hit to the high slow. Highs on the prize like race horses and blinders. Yeah, yeah. We got no fear, yeah. Mix Missy, Erica, incense and Prince, product of joy, magic and muscle. That McCoy with the hustle.
So I was looking for like the pinks in the ribbon, like something light, like the roses or the top of this right here. But I can look through it today. But do you see how like the pink is more like a light pink? Not purples, like more light. Climbing over in Pilates because I had to park so close to this car. Lord Jesus help me. Where are my new Pilates socks?
That girl is a runner, she was born to get away. Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust, that after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. '18 in the summer, man, it feels like yesterday, when she was looking out that window on the bus to second grade. The first step she'd ever take, the first cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now it's time to go our separate ways. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that...
Layla's boyfriend's mom is Jamaican, and literally she's like the sweetest woman on the planet. She always just sends me food. She just knows I'm over here sometimes, and she's like, she just makes food for me, and it's just the sweetest thing ever. Like, the sweetest gesture someone can get you is food. And these are oxtails with rice and peas, but her food is top tier amazing.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist.
Rich is cool. So rich. Crazy though. So happy I decided to take a drive to the beach today. I'm wearing my uniform, my Pilates outfit. This is one of my favorite Pilates outfits. Like, if I were to ever try to recreate an outfit, like in different colors, it would be like this fit in this style. I love it. And I need to make like a top to match or something, because that's the top I always wear with it. It's just my little Pilates look. It's okay to be a repeat offender and repeat your clothes. You don't have to freaking... But I do need new workout clothes. I'm gonna buy some new workout clothes because I just want some new stuff. I just do. And I'm gonna get it.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking that tug, out of the mud.
I'm literally in the back seat about to put my bathing suit on, but I don't know if this is TMI, but I have this. Like, whenever I go to the beach, I buy these. If I have to use the restroom, because I am not going to a public restroom, I will go to like a restaurant, but I'm not using one of these little bathrooms. And I have to use the restroom because I was drinking a lot of water today, and I need to change my bathing suit. And this is actually my favorite bathing suit. I've had it forever. I love, 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 love this bathing suit. So I'm gonna put this on today.
Up like a truck, went in the clutch, that is a must. Wake wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is do it, no way around it. Avoid it, we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always, I'm like a pilot, dog.
Hopefully my video loaded. Said this is my office right now. 69%. Okay. I don't know what's going on with my lunch. Praise that this CapCut downloads correctly. This is gonna be my beach bag. I had this left over. I'm not leaving, girl. I had this left over from dinner I went to the other day. So I got a cup of ice to put it in. This is the opposite today.
Look in my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I made for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold, huh? I just did 10 in a row.
Y'all, I hate bras. And it's kind of stopping me from filming because I don't know if it's like, should I just not give a damn? I need to maybe put on robes. Like maybe I could did they get ready with me with this? I mean, yeah, maybe I'll do this with the robe. So yeah, I'm just trying to not try to make everything perfect and just film. I lost a little weight, so when I lose weight, I know I can fit this one. And then I was thinking about cutting this t-shirt into like a crop to put over this. So that's what I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm just gonna go for it. I just cut this little t-shirt. So let's, that I have a matching top on. I kind of want that vibe to where it's like, you see the top. I think I did a good job. Okay, so let me go I need to do my eyebrows. Put on some mascara because I just love wearing mascara every single day. I'm definitely gonna wear this purse. Let me go and do my eyebrows really quick and I'll be back. So I use this every single day. Add a little, this is the Melania little pen. This is what's in my bathroom that I'm making too. I read this every single morning. It's probably backwards, but it'll be on my website. My website's almost done. I cannot wait, guys. My journals are on the way. I just paid for shipping today because it just finished, and yeah, they're coming by sea. So hopefully there's not a problem with that. I need to get this bathroom together. You guys, I have so many products. Do you see this? These are all my products that I use every day. I just need to figure out how to, it's like I need a system. And that's what I don't have, a system. That's why when Billy was alive, I had my own bathroom. Because he used to be like, you just got so much shit. This is the outfit of the day. Let's see if I can show you. This is the shirt. I have this too, guys, that I made. It's if you realized how powerful your thoughts are, you would never think another negative thought. And I had this by my mirror. Like, I'm gonna make these for us. And then this is my tissue paper as well, but it's just affirmation. It didn't come out as good printed, but I can still see it. Like, it's just like 50 affirmations. That's just really pretty. And I just want like affirmations all around me because affirmations are really the plug. No lie. They really are. Wallet. Affirmation cards in case I need to give one out to someone. I gave one out the other day. I had stopped doing it for a minute because I kind of forgot. I always have this with me because it's like a phone holder. This is just like lip gloss, hair tie if I need it. This for Pilates today. Headphones with wires in case. I just always have that in my purse. I always have a pen. I like writing, and a nail file. I needed these. I like to be like super crispy and fresh. So I realize that I don't like wearing old socks. Also, my daughter got me this water bottle. I love this water bottle. Everyone knows about it. I didn't know shit about it. But yeah, let's go.
I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, 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 go. Get off your phone, can't sit at a green light. Look how that shine reflect like a ring light. This is my podium, talking to 3 mics. I'm not no Brenner, have they the team winning. If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner, I bend it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking about Bennett. When they too lazy, they talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get it back.
Good. What about you? Good. I got the biggest green juice. So lately I have been very, I don't want to say stressed, because I don't think I'm stressed, but I think it's coming out in my body because a lot has been going on, and I am a little scared. I'm not gonna lie. I am a little scared because I'm starting my business and doing the things I love, but I know it's not like coming from me. I know it's coming from God, and when God's there, it's fine. Like, he's been taking care of me this whole time, so I'm not gonna like sit here and like really stress over money. I normally get a Mr. Juice, but he said that this is better for me because I've been having like dizziness and stuff, so he suggested the detox, and it has beets in it, celery. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna get a massage and just try to relax and just chill. I'm not stressed, but sometimes I get sad. Maybe I need to let it out. I don't know. I don't know any other way than to not be positive and just like try to make the best of everything, you know? But just sometimes I do get a little sad, and I do miss my mom, and I do miss Billy, and I do want like a companion, and I want it, you know what I mean? I do want those things, but I just like bury them inside of me and just keep it pushing and be happy, and I work out and I clean up and everything that I need to do, but in the positive, most best way I can, you know? So I don't know. Like, I feel like maybe I need to go do something crazy, adventurous, go jet skiing. I don't know, do something to get some energy out. But anyways, yeah.